To do an implementation within 3 weeks for sure put a lot of pressure on the coordination of our activities. To be able to, as a project manager like Mark, to be able to coordinate all the activities that normally take place as a sequence, now we need to do a lot of them parallel. And that is a big challenge from the project manager from our side. From Kooka's side, I would say the big challenge is to be able to set aside resources so they can complete the task that we need to have in order to go live today.
Well, fingers crossed, we are going live today. Hopefully everything's in order. A lot of consultants are here to guide us along on going live. Well, I've done a lot of implementation on a lot of systems. Well, data migration has always been the nightmare, but we have really done it well here. Even our own staff are able to churn out all the data very fast, and then Monitor ERP consultants has been very fast to respond to us, very suitable for manufacturing, and it matches a lot of all our processes. So even for the data migration, whatever data that we need to be captured into the system is already there for us to key in. So no customization needed. That improves a lot of the time that we need to migrate our system and to go live. Very proud of it.
Of course, when you do an implementation within that short time, they might be a little bit affected for the first 2 weeks in order to get used to their normal routine. But I don't foresee it will be a massive difference when we go live within a normal project that takes 3 months, 6 months to do, because changing ERP system is relatively painful for an organization and requires a lot of efforts from the organization, and it does not stop with the go live.
I want to grow with the customers. When you go live, this is not the end of the projects. It is the starting line of the projects. So there will be future improvement, and we will actually work together to improve their processes in the future.